So this right here is the new exhaust for the AZ1. Now the other day I showed you guys a different RS5 with a circular exhaust tip right here. This is actually the oval one that they discontinued about 12 years ago because it's a little bit more tricky to produce than the circle tip one. All right, and this is like a 10-inch version that they custom made for my car. They actually chopped this one that they've had for a while so it can fit under the AZ1. Pre-preg carbon, stainless steel, everything, and then it also has the new little retainer springs right here with the Yoshimura logo. This is, I think, a 2-inch inlet and outlets, kind of bigger because it's oval, and it looks absolutely insane. Super lightweight, but it is hefty because they still had to pack this properly so it doesn't just sound tinny. All right, so we're gonna go to Imer Engineering tomorrow to pop this on, but I just wanted to show you guys how pretty this is out of the car because it looks absolutely insane. Look at the details on there.
Perfect.